This is Bill Hornbarger, Chief Investment Officer with Benjamin F. Edwards, with three things to watch for the week of June 12, 2023. Well, this is a big macroeconomic week. We get the inflation reports and central bank meetings. First up will be the inflation reports on Tuesday and Wednesday, consumer prices CPI and producer prices PPI, Tuesday and Wednesday respectively. Inflation has been declining. CPI is expected to be up 4.1% year over year. That would be down from the previous month, 4.9%. And that's versus over 9% last June. And then core CPI also expected to decline, not quite as much, to 5.5% on a year over year basis. Again, the good news is inflation is coming down. The bad news is it's still well above what the Fed is comfortable with and well above their target range. But as we head into the next couple of months, the year-over-year comparisons start to get a little bit more friendly, and we're going to see that starting this month with that 4.1% decline. Later in the week, we have central bank meetings. The Fed finishes a two-day meeting on Wednesday, and then on Thursday, the European Central Bank will also make an announcement on interest rates. The Fed, after raising rates for 10 consecutive meetings, is expected to pause this month and leave the Fed funds rate unchanged at 5.25% while continuing to talk tough on inflation. The European Central Bank hasn't been quite as aggressive as the Fed, and they are expected to raise rates 25 basis points. That would bring their base lending rate to 4%. And then finally, we'll keep an eye on the markets. Stocks have been up. They've been very strong in recent sessions. We're up over 20% from the market lows last October. We're up about 12% year to date. And this feels like an important week from a macro perspective, both with the inflation and the central bank meetings. So again, we'll keep an eye on that. Good news on the inflation front, a pause from the Fed. What market participants would like to see is this recent strength continue and see the market broaden out a little bit.